Have you ever wondered who owns the world's most expensive cars? These aren't just vehicles, they're the epitome of engineering excellence, breathtaking design, and unmatched performance. Representing prestige and success, these cars come with price tags in the millions, along with exclusive features, limited edition models, and unique designs that set them apart. But what truly makes them so extraordinary? In today's topic, we are about to find out the 10 most expensive cars in the world.
Number 10.
Pagani Huayra Codalunga. The Pagani Huayra Codalunga emerged from a unique partnership between Pagani enthusiasts and the Pagani Grandi Complicazioni department, the company's special projects division. This collaboration aimed to craft a long-tail Pagani Huayra that echoes the slick designs of 1960s Italian bodywork. The result is an extraordinary two-seater featuring doors that open in the elegant gull-wing style. It boasts a formidable 12-cylinder, 6-liter, twin-turbocharged ceramic-coated engine that delivers 840 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque, soaring to a top speed of 230 miles per hour. Remarkably, despite its large stature, the Codalunga maintains a light weight of just 2,821 pounds, significantly lighter than its predecessor, the original Pagani Huayra. This reduction in weight, assisted by the usage of titanium in the exhaust system, enables the car to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in less than 3 seconds. A limited series of only 5 units were crafted and sold at a striking price of $7.4 million each, all claimed before their official unveiling.
Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification to stay updated. Number 9.
Maybach Exelero. The Maybach Exelero is an iconic vehicle that has consistently ranked among the world's top 10 most expensive cars for over a decade, solidifying its status in the echelons of automotive luxury. Unveiled in 2005 at the Tempodrom in Berlin, the Exelero's design draws significant inspiration from the 1930s, particularly the Maybach SW38, giving it a distinctive vintage appeal. Under the hood, the car boasts a formidable 12-cylinder, 5.9-liter twin-turbo engine that delivers an impressive 690 horsepower and 752 pound-feet of torque, enabling it to sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a mere 4.4 seconds, with a maximum speed of 218 miles per hour. Mercedes produced only one unit of this extraordinary vehicle, which was acquired in 2011 by rapper Birdman for $8 million, adding it to his prestigious collection that also includes a Maybach 62 Landaulet and the red Bugatti Veyron, among others.
Number 8.
Lamborghini Veneno Roadster. The Lamborghini Veneno Roadster is an exemplary case of a car whose value escalates post-production, often catching eyes at auctions years after their initial release. This exceptionally rare model, with only 9 units ever produced, saw its 7th unit previously owned by Teodoro Nguema Obiang Mang, the son of the Equatorial Guinea president. His impressive collection of luxury vehicles, including the Veneno Roadster, was confiscated by Swiss authorities. This particular Roadster then sold for an astonishing $8.4 million, a staggering amount for a second-hand vehicle. The car's remarkable features include a 12-cylinder, 6.5-liter engine delivering 750 horsepower and 50 pound-feet of torque. It boasts the capability to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds and can reach a top speed of 220 miles per hour, making it a marvel in automotive engineering.
Number 7.
Aston Martin Valkyrie AMR Pro. The Aston Martin Valkyrie AMR Pro, a two-seater marvel, redefines the limits of racing automotives with a staggering price tag of $9.1 million. As the race-bred counterpart of the Aston Martin Valkyrie road car, this model comes with quite the pedigree, developed in collaboration with Red Bull Advanced Technologies and the expertise of Adrian Newey, one of the most renowned racing car designers globally. The vehicle itself is a paragon of performance, featuring a lightweight carbon fiber body tailored for peak aerodynamics, supplemented by an innovative airflow system. Its racing roots are further exemplified by plexiglass windows and a detachable steering wheel reminiscent of those found in professional race cars. Powering this beast is a formidable 12-cylinder, 6.5-liter engine, capable of thrusting out 1,050 horsepower and achieving speeds up to 250 miles per hour. To complement its velocity, it is equipped with resilient carbon ceramic brakes and Michelin racing slick tires for unmatched control on the track. Adding to its exclusivity, the purchase of this car includes a professional driver's suit. However, its exclusivity is more than just the amenities, it is born of rarity, as only 40 units have been crafted, all of which are now in the hands of their owners.
Number 6.
Rolls-Royce Sweptail. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail, an epitome of luxury on wheels, is often regarded as the automotive counterpart of haute couture. Conceptualized in 2013 and drawing inspiration from the elegant designs of 1920s automobiles and sports yachts, its distinctive boat-like rear view sets it apart. Taking 4 years to meticulously craft, the Sweptail made its grand debut at the 2017 Concorso di Eleganza Villa d'Este in Italy. This luxurious car features a panoramic glass roof and a lavish interior decorated with leather, titanium, and ebony. It includes a unique center console with a built-in refrigerator that presents champagne and crystal glasses at the push of a button. Equipped with a 12-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine producing 446 horsepower, it reaches a top speed of 155 miles per hour. Commissioned by Sam Lee for $13 million, the Sweptail represents the pinnacle of super-luxury automobiles.
Number 5.
Bugatti Centodieci. The Bugatti Centodieci, a two-seater masterpiece, was crafted to mark the illustrious 110th anniversary of the Bugatti marque, drawing inspiration from the iconic Bugatti EB110. Designers aimed to give the Centodieci a distinct character that also respects its predecessor, avoiding simple nostalgia. The vehicle stands out with a white exterior, sleek side airs, slender LED lights, and red brake calipers, contrasting sharply with the white. It reaches a top speed of 236 miles per hour, thanks to a 16-cylinder, 8-liter, turbocharged engine that produces 1,578 horsepower, accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.4 seconds, features 7 clutch speeds, and has 1,180 pound-feet of torque. Only 10 units, including one owned by Cristiano Ronaldo, are hand-built in France, each costing $14 million, highlighting its rarity in superior engineering.
Number 4.
SP Automotive Chaos. The SP Automotive Chaos is a remarkable vehicle featuring an aggressive design with a carbon fiber and Kevlar monocon, complete with numerous inlets and channels to enhance airflow. The car includes advanced 3D printed components such as the wheels and a carbon ceramic brace. Despite its size, the use of aerospace technology materials like titanium and magnesium has allowed for a significant increase in height. As of the end of 2022, the manufacturer launched a website to accept orders, offering 2 versions, the Earth and the zero-gravity version. The latter is especially appealing due to its sheer power, boasting a 10-cylinder, 4-liter, twin-turbo engine that delivers 1,396 pound-feet of torque and 3,064 horsepower, with the ability to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 1.55 seconds. The company claims it can exceed speeds of 310 miles per hour, though this remains to be validated through test drives. One thing that is unequivocally confirmed is the steep price tag, with the most luxurious version coming in at $14.4 million.
Number 3.
Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. The Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta was launched during Horatio Pagani's 60th birthday, initially named Fangio F1 after Juan Manuel Fangio. This exclusive 2-seater convertible, with a 7.3-liter, 778 horsepower engine, was meant as a personal gift by Pagani, who also made 2 more for clients. It can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3.1 seconds, reaching a top speed of 221 miles per hour. Unfortunately, one of the three cars met a catastrophic fate in Zagreb, Croatia, where it was severely damaged in an accident that saw its wheel torn off, rear axle broken, and its bodywork and rear end severely damaged, culminating in a loss valued at millions, especially considering the staggering $17.6 million price tag of the remaining models.
Number 2.
Bugatti La Voiture Noire. Presented at the 2019 Geneva International Motor Show, the Bugatti La Voiture Noire, which translates to the black car in French, epitomizes elegance with its handmade carbon fiber bodywork and unique light pattern resembling an insect. This remarkable vehicle, based on the Bugatti Chiron, extends 7.7 inches longer than its predecessor. It boasts a formidable 16-cylinder, 8-liter, turbocharged engine capable of reaching speeds up to 261 miles per hour, and can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, thanks to its 1,500 horsepower and 1,180 pound-feet of torque. It features a 7-speed dual clutch and holds the title of being the most expensive car in the world at $18.7 million. Notably, the sole unit ever produced is owned by the famed Cristiano Ronaldo, despite not having a World Cup title, possesses this unique automotive masterpiece.
Number 1.
Rolls-Royce Boat. The Rolls-Royce Boat, priced at $28 million and limited to just 3 units, stands as the world's most expensive car. This luxurious 4-seater features a fully removable roof and a rear that opens with the push of a button, drawing design inspiration from 1920s and 1930s yachts. It includes an interior equipped with cocktail tables and seating to match the included Armand de Brignac champagne, full Christophe china, and dual refrigerators. Powered by a 12-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, the Boat delivers 563 horsepower and can reach speeds up to 211 miles per hour. Additional opulent details include a bow sound system, Bovet Fleurier watches for both men and women, and a Mont Blanc pen with a handmade case stored inside the glove compartment.